All right, guys, so we are working on team building out here, so I want you guys to think about a couple characteristics of team building. So what makes a good team?
Communication.
Communication, awesome.
Listening.
Listening and leadership, excellent. Anything
Being
else?
honest.
Being honest, definitely. So that sounds like some excellent ones, so we'll try and focus on those today. And if y'all are ready, we're gonna get started if you follow me over this way.
Astronauts work in teams in space, and there's an even bigger team on the ground in mission control, all working together to make the missions a success. So what sort of challenge have the Space Camp team got for the cadets today?
You can see we have a large platform that can just go back and forth like a seesaw.
This is our whale watch, so it's essentially a giant seesaw. So their challenge is to balance it out. It's a really great team building activity. The trick to this one is really just to get 1 or 2 people to move at a time.
The center of balance is like over there. It's not in the middle, it's like back there.
Gotta keep the boat balanced. You don't want to rock it too much.
We're dying, drowning. We're not even on water. Whoa.
Stop moving!
It's not me.
Let's try and switch it up a bit. Let's try and get just 2 people on one side and 6 people on the other. See if we can't keep that balance.
Hold on.
Six
Us two, just go right.
Try and keep it balanced.
Oh wait, AJ push back a bit, and AJ you also push back. Oh wait, now if I didn't just shift a bit onto your front line.
AJ, keep your foot.
Okay, and then
Alicia,
now just have
foot
across
in.
the line.
You need to have your foot in.
grass. All right, so we done it?
Yeah.
Whale watch in general is a little bit tricky because it's not actually balanced in the center. It's a little bit off center, so it seems like they're picking up on that and doing a good job.
You two go back a bit, back a bit, back a bit, back a bit, back a bit.
Looks like our space cadets are balance ninjas. They're acing this task.
You guys need to keep the platform balanced all the while I'm walking around the edges.
I'm just moving up. We're not gonna ask him how much he weighs.
You guys are doing pretty good.
It's fine until he gets to the other side, and then we just need to reposition. We need to come, Finton and Connor, you just need to like slowly move as he gets that way.
Now we go back.
Just a little bit, like shuffle.
Don't adjust too much. I'm looking forward.
No!
I'm looking forward.
Don't take any big steps, just baby steps.
5, 6.
Oh, careful.
What do you mean 6?
This is too easy, lads. You need to make it a bit tougher.
Do you think that they could rotate in a circle
Absolutely not.
while keeping it balanced?
Oh, that is a good idea.
Forget it. Just give our space cadets gold medals and move on.
Careful.
That's fine.
Keep it level.
Okay,
said
so the
circle,
people
that's
on this
square.
end need to like
Keep following
keep
the
their
red line.
weight spread out, and then everyone else is kind of ground. I think we were all working as a team. I think I was definitely trying to like communicate with everyone.
Hold on for a second.
Oh!
On the count of 3, everyone sprint to where they were.
Yeah, where are you supposed to be?
3, 2, 1, go.
How do you think this will all help you, teamwork-wise?
Talking to each other.
Yeah.
And work together.
And scream at each other to move in a circle. Yeah.
And we learned that being closer makes it easier to work with each other.
Oh.